Today's Professionals brought to you by The Basement Doctor.
Hi everyone, I'm here with The Basement Doctor. How are you?
I'm pretty good.
It's awards season.
Yeah, I feel like we're at the Academy Awards the last few weeks.
Yeah.
This is the last one.
And we've saved the best for last, John.
Well, it's the one I'm proudest of, yeah.
Let's talk about that. Number 7
Number
out of
7 in North American
150 plus companies.
Yes. We deal with bowing basement walls, and I'll bet you 80% of the basements we get into. And other parts of the country don't have this problem. You go out to Iowa, they go, a what? And nothing bows because they don't have the hydraulic pressures that we do. But over here, everything in their brother, because of our clays, is caving in. And it's really, shouldn't be too proud. But when you're walking up the aisle to get an accolade like this, and you're walking past the guy that's doing $30 million, $40 million a year in business,
sure,
whole different planet than what we are, and you're going, huh, you didn't even make the list, did you? That kind of feels good.
Right, I am sure
in a
it
weird
does.
Way. Yes,
right,
yeah.
But what else is interesting is five award winners came from Ohio. What does that mean?
Ohio's nasty. Our clay is just unbelievably bad. And the biggest dealers, excuse me, in the country come from Cleveland, Cincinnati, Columbus, and Lima. That's not bad. As far as our business goes. As far as our customers goes, the good news is we know how to fix this, and we're good at it.
Okay. Congratulations once again. Okay, John, thanks for being here. Thanks for being here, everyone. We'll see you next time.